What is up, what it is, what it will be, it's your boy from Auburn coming at you. And today we're having a little weight train pain, so...
Weight train, yeah.
Yeah, so they picked the straps and we're gonna get at that, so yeah. So what I need to do, you going first. Woo.
God, the mic!
Golly, that hurt bad.
My man,
No, you good? Yeah, I think that's enough for today.
What? I didn't get my turn.
Just give me a minute, dude. We all right? Home there, some people.
Yeah. The less surface area, the more pain.
Let's give it a moment. Let's let it wilt up here.
God.
Yeah.
Can I see it? Let me see. Let the camera see. Johnny didn't even. Oh shit!
Dang!
Oh Lord!
What is it? Can you see it good? I think it got behind.
Honestly, it's not raised bad.
That guy's really mean.
Alright, you ready, man?
All right, how am I gonna hold it? How's it good?
Oh, you want to cross the leg?
Oh yeah. All right,
Look nice and tight.
All right, yeah. Hold on. Let me get it. I was like,
Make sure y'all follow, like, and subscribe.
we'll see y'all in the next one. Hope you enjoy it. Where my click at? Click that like button. We'll see you soon.